Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can reset privacy and location on iPhone. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. If you are using your current location on every app and now you want to change that location, or no one apps can access your locations or like privacy, so that's how you can do it. Follow the steps that you will never face any issue. If you didn't face any issue, like you have to do is follow the steps. So click on settings and then open it up and then go to generals, and then you have to simply scroll all the way up and then click on transfer and reset iPhone. And then once you have clicked on that, you will see over here three options: get started, reset, and erase all content and settings. So simply click on the second option, reset, and then you will see there's multiple options over here. As you can see, reset all settings or blah blah blah, more option over here. Like you can see the second last option called reset location and privacy. You have to do is click on that and then enter your password, and then it's gonna be pop-ups over here that your phone is resetting your location and privacy, and you have to do is agree with that and then reset location and privacy, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.